If you love chips and salsa as much as me and my wife do, then this recipe is just for you. It's quick, easy, and you probably already have all the necessary ingredients. Half of an onion, 1 green pepper, or 2 jalapeno peppers if you want to spice it up, 1 large or 2 medium-sized ripe tomatoes, a 1/4 cup of fresh cilantro. If you don't have fresh cilantro, no worries. Dry ground cilantro will work just fine. 1 4-ounce can of tomato paste, an 1/8 teaspoon of red wine vinegar, 1/2 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1/2 tablespoon of onion powder, and 1 cup of water. Begin by dicing the onions and peppers. Next, set your stove top to medium-high heat and saute both the onions and peppers together in 1 tablespoon of olive oil until they become soft, but not caramelized. When done, place in a medium or large size mixing or serving bowl. Chop the cilantro, dice the tomatoes, and place in the mixing bowl on top of the onions and peppers. Add salt, onion powder, garlic powder, red wine vinegar, and a teaspoon of olive oil to the mix. Scoop and gently stir in 4 ounces of tomato paste. Pour in 1 cup of water. Be sure to continually scoop and stir until everything is combined well. Now, there's only one thing left to do. Enjoy.